So before ka mag-install ng Microsoft Office LTSC Professional 2024, so you have to make sure na walang existing Office sa iyong laptop or PC. So if meron kagaya nito, so you have to uninstall it first para hindi ka magkaroon ng mga error message habang nag-install ka ng Office 2024. So you have to uninstall it and wait until na ma-clean up yung iyong laptop or PC. Then after that, you can proceed on the installation of the new Office 2024. So once tapos na yung uninstallation, and then proceed ka dun sa iyong browser, and then just go to search and type Office Customization Tool. And then mariredirect ka dun sa Office Customization Tool portal. So dito pipiliin mo yung 64-bit sa architecture, and then sa baba may makikita ka dyan na Office Suites. So of course, select mo yung Office Professional LTSC 2024. And then scroll down, meron dyang apps. So pwede ka mag-select kung anong kailangan mong apps. So piliin lang natin yung mga basic, Excel, PowerPoint, and Word. Then scroll down. Then click next. The remaining option, just all default. Select for the language, and then English United States, and then click next. Then scroll down again, and then click next. So mga default lang naman ito. So click next ulit sa sunod na option. And then dito sa upgrade option, disable mo or i-turn off mo. Then click next. Then next again. Scroll down, next. Until it says finish. So yan, tapos na yung customized installer natin para sa Microsoft Professional 2024. And then click mo yung export, and then select Office XML. And then accept the terms and click export. So yan, mada-download siya and mapupunta sa iyong download folder. So right here. And then go back to the Google Chrome and search mo naman yung Office Deployment Tool. Click mo lang yung unang link na lumabas. So ito yung Office Deployment Tool portal. And then meron dyang download option. So i-download mo lang yung executable ng Office Deployment Tool. Go to sa download folder. Right click mo yung executable na to, and then run as administrator. Then after that, just accept the terms, and then click continue. Then mag-a-ask siya kung saan mo i-extract yung executable file. So go to this PC, and then go to C drive. Then sa baba, select mo yung make new folder, and then i-rename mo yung new folder as Office 2024. Then click OK. Then ma-extract na yung laman ng executable file. Click OK. And then itong configuration.xml, right click mo siya and then cut. Then i-paste mo siya dun sa newly created mong Office 2024 folder. So paste mo siya dito. And then delete mo na tong isa na configuration XML. So dalawang file lang na yun dyan. And then highlight mo yung path or yung directory kung saan nakasave yung XML at setup file. So right click, copy. Then open up a command prompt. So just type cmd and then right click. Make sure to run it as administrator. And then black screen will pop up. Just type cd and paste the directory na c:/ and then Office 2024, and then i-type mo tong script na to na ilalagay ko din sa description ng video na to. So that is setup.exe, then configuration.xml /configure. So after mong matype yan, and then just hit enter, and then mag-start na yung installation ng Microsoft Office Professional LTSC 2024. So wait mo lang for few minutes para ma-fully install yung mga office application. And that's it. So just close this window. And then you can pin this application on your taskbar. This Word, Excel, and PowerPoint that we recently selected on the Customize installer. And that's it for now. So now you have a working Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint that you can use. So hanggang dito na lang, and I hope you find this video helpful. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe na rin sa ating channel pag may time ka. Salamat sa panonood, and until next video.